Morning, everybody. Damn it. I got knocked out of my RTY trade. I wasn't paying attention. My ATM went to break even and it came back, knocked me out. I wouldn't have done that. Damn it. Shit. I was in this RTY short right here. It went down, came up, knocked me. I wasn't even paying attention because I was starting a live stream. Damn it. So now I'm out of the trade that I was in to cross the box. Damn it. Fucker's probably going to cross the box now. Damn. See, it came out of the box on the second candle, so I took the short when it came in. It went down enough for my ATM to kick in to break even. I wasn't looking. I go to start the stream. It came up, knocked me out at even. Damn it. Shit. Well, it's guaranteed to work now that I'm out of it. You should all know that. Man, oil crossed the box, but it was ugly to do it. I made a little bit of money on it. I lost money before then. I was down like $500 in oil, $500-600, something like that. And then I freaking caught the damn thing crossing the box and got all my money. I guess I would have not got knocked out here anyways. Okay, well, so far so good. And it hasn't God dang it. It hasn't given up the top yet, but I may re-enter. If the next candle closes here and it breaks down, I may re-enter short. I don't, Bruce, I don't even remember. I don't even remember, Bruce, without looking at it. You know, I don't trade the RTY so much. Where is that? It must be 10. Must be 10. All I know is I was in the trade. I grabbed my stop and put it above this red candle right here. And then I go to start the live stream, and then I look back and the trade's gone. So all I can figure is I went to break even and then got knocked out. That's the only thing I can figure. I didn't even see it happening. I didn't even see it happening. That's all I know, Bruce. I didn't even see the damn thing happening. Oh, man, gold has been, gold is just, wow. So, I mean, not that anybody wants to talk about gold, but look at this. This was at 2:30 Eastern Standard Time this morning. So this little box right here that we created is just insignificant. It's just insignificant to what the hell has happened in gold today. Totally insignificant, not relevant. Totally not relevant. That box had nothing to do with gold today. The box works much better when the market's a consolidating market. It doesn't work as well when the market's just gone one direction or another. Excuse me. Jesus. So RTY just tested the top of the box, but the YM is right into the bottom of the prior day low at the same time. So let's kind of see here. So the RTY came out of the box and sat on top of it, which is traditionally a good setup for us. But now that I see we're going into the prior day low here also. Shit. I've been staring at gold and oil so much I didn't even notice. I didn't even get myself prepared for the equities this morning. I mean, gold was just Jesus. Insane. I hadn't even opened up my charts. I looked at Yahoo Finance this morning just to see what the futures were. And I saw gold was down $200 and some. And I was like, what? So then I opened up the charts and I'm like, well, not only is it down $200 and some, but it did it basically in a straight line. Man, that RTY, I would be in it. I should have probably jumped in this. I don't know. I wasn't paying attention. I should have been in this long right here. I should have been in that. Fucking A, Bob. I should have been in that. I mean, at least get 40 ticks out of it right to here. I should have been in that RTY long. Damn it. Excuse me. Should have been in that RTY long, man. That's my bad. Totally my bad. Of course, I don't know. It may not work. I'd certainly be at break even right now and probably about to get knocked out. Yep, I'd have been knocked out. So, I mean, it didn't work for me. We have some more news at 10 o'clock. So hopefully we'll get a little excitement after that. Yeah, that would have been a break-even situation for me. This little scenario. But you see what happened is it came outside the box and then it sat on top of the box. So normally what that means is we're going to rotate up. Of course, there's a lot of headwind above it. A lot of headwind above it. Gold, are you? Oh my God, are you going to cross the box? Wow. Oh, wow. Wow. Look at that. Look at that rotation right there. That is, man, I mean, y'all need to understand that is, as of right now, that's $70, which is $7,000 a contract. I mean, $7,000 a contract. That's what this rotation is. Oh, it's only getting bigger. It's only getting bigger. Oh my God. All right, so we got news in 3 minutes. Got news in 3 minutes. Oh man. I hit a beautiful gold trade yesterday afternoon. I mean, a beautiful gold trade yesterday afternoon. I screenshot it and I'll find the screenshot. I'll put it up on here. I screenshot it and like maybe an hour after the trade. And I sent it to Jim in California, and Jim messaged me back. Well, you could have made about $5,000 on that trade. I'm like, God. That was his response. I'm like, yeah, but I made almost $2,000 on it. His response, you could have made $5,000 on that trade. Well, yeah, I guess so. But I mean, I made two. See, that's what I need. I need somebody to criticize me for screwing up. That's what I need. And I did screw up, man. It was a beautiful, screwed up. I got conservative with my target. Let's just put it that way. I got conservative with my target, and he busted me for doing that. Let me see if I can find the screenshot. It was a beautiful freaking trade. Oh my God. It was an absolute peach of a trade. Let me find the damn thing. Jesus. And I'll put it up on the screen here. Since we're waiting for the news. Right here. There it is. How do I do this? All right. Email it to, I got to email it to myself. Yeah. Exactly, lunatic. I just thought it was the best trade, man. And I was basically really trying to show him how the afternoons have been just beautiful lately for trading. And then what does he do? He busts my balls for it because I didn't make the most money. I was like, God dang, Jim, give a brother a break. If I want to be told what I did wrong, I just wait for my wife to tell me. So it was at 12:10 in the afternoon, Eastern Standard Time. We just violently crossed the red line, came back, touched the 5-minute gold line, had an inside candle, boom, boom. Now, why did I use this target? Well, you can't see it in the screenshot, but to my left was a major pivot to the downside. So I picked that as my target. The second major pivot to the left side was here. And then, of course, the market just completely rotated all the way up. So he was trying to tell me, well, shit, you could have made $5,000 or so way up over here. And I'm like, yeah, but right here, that's why I circled this. Right here, I'd have to be an idiot to let this thing come all the way back and take out, because if I'm following the back of the pivots, I'd have been knocked out. See, they dirty dogged this one. That's what gold did. Created this pivot that rotated up to a new high. They came back and went through it by a couple ticks and then ran it all the way back up. Anyways, that was the trade. It was at 12, basically 12:08 or something. You guys can look at it in your charts. But I was so excited, and I got told that I didn't do a good job. I didn't do a good job. God, look at gold now. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. Let's just run away from all its moving averages. Holy cow. Ah, crap. You got it? Good job, Edwin. Good for you. Yeah, I mean, the trade worked. The RTY trade did work that I was talking about, but retest to the top of the box, rotation up to, whatever. In this case, prior day low. All right, so the news is over. News is over. And I guess I got to start finding something to trade. Frickin' hey, look at that. That rotation in gold. was $100. It was $100. $100. Insane. $100. The NQ had a decent 1 minute gold line. I don't know if anybody took that. Too close to news for me. Now I think about it, I'm looking at it. It would have been too close for news. But it did have a 1 minute gold line, the NQ. I don't know if anybody took it. Good job, Edwin. Good job. Your RTY is being the, it's working because you took it. I'd have been the one stuck in this YM that's not doing shit. That RTY is, RTY came and pulled its way through all this BS. Whereas the YM said, nah, we're not doing that. Yeah, the YM kind of said, nah, we're not doing that. Thanks for playing. Good job. No, Edwin, again, I just tell you what I think and what I see. It's up to you to execute it and make it work. And the main thing I try to stress to everybody is, and you just did a perfect example for it there, which is you got a what appears to be a big target, which is very good. And number two, now you've got profits in case the next trade you lose. And I can't stress enough that even if you do everything right, you're gonna be pushing it to be at a 50+% win rate. So you got to make the money on the ones you're right with. That's the difference. I ran some numbers a while ago, and I'm going to do them off the top of my head, guys, so I don't remember exactly. But I ran some numbers a while ago that said my average win. Now, mind you, for Ninja, a win is, even if I freaking have like 2 ticks of profit and it closes me out there, and I make $10, that's considered a win. But so remember that. But my average win in like the first half of March was like $280 a contract. My average loss was like $160. So you're on a fine line there. You know what I mean? You're on a fine line. I mean, the difference in that scenario even is $160, a contract. And so you got to make money on the trades you are correct on. Which is another reason why you can't trade when the market looks like, for example, the YM. You can't trade when the market looks like this, because there's no money. You know what I mean? It's got to be out in space. It's got to have a place to go. It's got to have the ability to make you money. And I mean, the number one thing, and again, I'm guilty of it or have been guilty of it before too, but it's like, I think the number one mistake people make when they're trading is they think they have to be in a trade. No, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't. You don't have to be in a trade. You just have to be ready for. Look at the trade that I showed you guys a minute ago in gold. That is, I mean, I bring that trade up, even though Jim busted my hump about it, because I want you to understand how specific I was in taking that trade. You have to be a sniper, and you have to see there's space to make money. See, the Donchian's way the frick up here. Okay? Those are some big numbers there. Okay? So you got to be a sniper. Yeah, I mean, Brittany, I think is what your name. Yeah, Brittany. I cannot begin to tell you how much I struggled with exactly that scenario. Okay, so I mean, I'm picking up what you're laying down. All right, because that is the. I mean, to me, that was. I still to this day struggle with certain things. Okay, one of the things I struggle with, and I talk about it on here once in a while, is if I start off the day with a loss or a couple losses. And today I did not do this. I was so proud of myself because I was down in oil. But I have a tendency when I start my day off with a loss, I'm about to make $1,000 here if anybody wants to know. Come on, gold. Oh, come on. Do not take me out. Let's go. I'm not going to give up the bottom of this candle. Come on, gold. Come on. I still struggle with getting back my loss. Does that make sense? Whereas if shit. I got, give me a second here. If I'm down, I have a tendency. Come on. If I'm down, I have a tendency. Thank you for coming back and picking me up, Gold. Thank you for picking me up. Thank you. There's $1,000. All right. I got that one, Jim. I just got it. I just got it for $1,000. So, Brittany. So, I mean, I should have played it to the top, but anyways. Yeah, there you go, Jim. Boom. Yeah, Jim's loading them up with big contracts. 5K. Does everybody know what this trade is, or are you? I mean, Jim, you're calling it the one. No, it's the top of the box. They touch the top of the box and off they go. But what I have a tendency to do is if I get down in the morning, or get down, I should say, if I get down, I have a tendency to just get my money back, regardless if I'm in a really good trade. And that's so today I was doing across the box in oil, and I was down $500-600, and I was like, no, I'm going across the box. And I went across the box and made probably about $1,500-1,600 on the trade. So there's certain things I still struggle with, Brittany, but but I mean, again, it's all a mental process. And again, the other thing is it's seeing things like I should have been at this target right here. I mean, where the rotation was, because that's where they're going to come back from now. But I mean, I made $1,000. It's $1,000. But Get down on it. Man, the YM just does not want to do anything today. We're going to be stuck in purgatory until this YM starts moving. I'm looking at it. Good job, Edwin. Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap, Edwin. Let me look at mine. I haven't looked at mine. Oh, yeah. Yeah, my P&L is pretty good today. My P&L is pretty good today. Not gym level, but mine's pretty good. Good for you, Edwin. Absolutely, my friend. I'm glad to see it's working for you, I really am. Honestly. I mean, I'm being as sincere as I can be. I'm glad it's working for you. It's a process, Edwin, right? I mean, it's a process. But I mean, once you get through enough of the process, there you go. Oh, shit. I should have caught that right there. Jimmy, you must be in that. I should have caught that right there. Ooh. Oh, maybe it'll give me a better chance. Oh, it's rolling over. All right, well, hell. No big deal. Good for you, Bobby. Holy cow. Oh, you've been following for years, Edwin? I didn't know that. Okay. Well, that's good. I mean, so when like I'm not saying you're over the hump yet, but about how long ago do you think that the picture started making sense to you? Like things like, oh shit, I see what he's talking about. Like, how long ago was that? Looks like the YM may finally start be moving. All right. We need that YM to start moving. It'll free up the rest of the equities. I mean, you got to remember the YM is the big dog in the room. It's the bull. It's the big bull standing on the hill looking down at everybody else. Now the thing is, as a futures index, it doesn't have the volume, say, of NQ or ES, but it is the bull that moves the market. Well, that's nice to. Yeah, Edwin, I probably have also. I probably have traded every strategy in my life also. And again, it's not like this strategy is infallible, because it's not. But what it does do for me by checking pivots and rotations and things like that is it gives me an idea of what really seems to be happening. Keeps me on the right side of the rotations. That's probably the most important thing. Keeps me on the right side of the rotations. Oh yeah, all you guys compare notes. Oh my God, yes, Edwin. There, yeah. Jim could probably, Jim could probably add to this conversation. Oh yeah, this is keeping it simple. No oscillators. Remove all the bullshit. Just sit there and look at the charts and see what the price action's doing, and then just figure out when everything lines up and go. Are you talking? You got to give me an instrument, Jamie, when you say that, because there are 5 of them, 6 of them I'm actually following. If you're talking about gold, yeah, probably. The thing is gold. Now this is going to get confusing. Gold is really the only 5-minute gold line that I trade consistently. Gold, the instrument, is the only 5-minute gold line that I trade consistently, if I'm making sense. Yeah, gold is the and I only do it on the crossovers first times. So like this scenario right here is a crossover first time. Now, because you saw the one I did at 10, whatever time that was yesterday, 12:08. That's exactly what that trade was. Price busted across the gold line, came back, sat on top of the gold line. Even though the red line was in the middle, it was really the gold line I was focusing on. And then it had an inside candle, and it literally pierced. Hold on here. It literally pierced. That's what you may not be seeing in the picture. That's why I say if you guys go back and look, you'll see on your own charts, you'll see. But it literally pierced the gold line right here. You can't see it because it pierced the gold line right there after it crossed over. Then it did that inside candle, and boom, gone. And yeah, Jim's talking about it right now. 5-minute gold line setup. It may not trigger. So far, it hasn't. It may not trigger, and it is a long ways away from where it normally does this trade. This is a long ways away. Normally, it happens when it first comes over in this area. Then it just shoots off. So far, it has not triggered. Oh, okay. All right. Yeah. I got you. Well, you got to have a heart of a lion to trade this instrument. I mean, I'm talking a freaking a beast of a lion. Man, it's right in that mid band. God dang. Hey, George. Yeah, Charles, and I can't see. You're 100% correct, Charles. That's why what I did is I waited for it to go through. Okay. And then I waited for it to come down, and then I was going to do the rerun because it looks like this one literally closed below it. If I'm concerned about the entry, Charles, and especially these candles are huge for gold, I'll let price run through it, especially since it came from way down here. I'll let it run through it, come back and rest, and then I'll take it the second time it tries it. If I'm making any sense. Whereas this is not, this trade that I took here was not conservative. I mean, what was conservative? It wasn't aggressive. There wasn't anything in the way. There's nothing going on. The one I actually took. Yeah, Charles. I mean, when the candles are, I'll do the same thing with the NQ. If the NQ comes from, so visualize this. Just this is a good example. Even though this candle is green, right? You got to remember it started here, went down. This is a long ways. You're at 06 to come back through the top. You're $7 up. So if it goes straight there, it's most likely going to relax and then maybe go through. I think the 50% is better than it used to be, Thomas. God, it used to be 30. 50% is pretty good. I mean, because if you're trading a $50,000 account and you're looking to make $3,000, I mean, you probably shouldn't have any trades that you make more than $1,500 on. That's my thought. Otherwise, you're probably over leveraged or you're just too good of a trader to even be trading prop firms at all. Shit. Oh God, you're right. You're right, Snow. Shit, I didn't even see that. Oh shit. Oh, good job, Snow. Oh shit. Oh, the YM ran into the bottom of its box at the same time. So now we got a problem. See, the YM ran into the bottom of its box at the same time, which is gonna hold it up. Jesus. Come on, NQ. Come on, NQ. Roll over. Roll over, NQ. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Snow Invest got me in a good trade. I hope. Come on. Don't give up on me. Oh shit. I'm sorry, it's not on this screen. Here it is right here. Sorry. Come on. Roll over. Don't roll up on me. Roll over. God dang it. Come on. Roll to the bottom of the box. There you go. Come on. I don't even have my, come on, roll over. Roll over. Roll the hell over. I see the YM going down. Why aren't you? Come on. Oh, God, NQ, you're pissing me off. All right, there we go. There we go. Come on. All right, I'm going to go to the mid band here if I can get it. Come on. What the hell? Come on. I'm looking at everything. Come on, come on. ES, go down. Go down, ES. Come on. Come on. I'm watching. ES is underneath its mid band. Come on. Go down. Don't take me out. Ah, oh, fuck. Jesus. Mary and Joseph. Jesus. Ah. So we crossed the red line and we went right into the bottom of the box. So, you know, the scenario should be that it goes from, you know, corner to corner. I was just trying to get it back to the mid band, which it'll probably still go corner to corner, but it's just not going to do it the pace I want it. I'll be right back. I got to get some more coffee. Morning, Treeman. How you doing? Thomas, do me a favor. Prove it to me when you ask for a payout. Prove it to me when you ask for a payout. Well, damn. Something's going on. Something's going on. Something's going on. All of a sudden, out of the blue, the market starts buying again. And when it just randomly starts going one direction or another, I mean, I can't trade that till it starts getting into a pattern again. It's got to get into a pattern. It's also running right into the bottom of the box, Jim. Right there in the bottom of the box. That's the box. So that should be a rejection area also. Back down. At least that's what I'm thinking. Boy, oil has really been lackadaisical today. Interestingly enough, I'm looking over at oil. It just really hasn't done shit all day. Thank God I stopped trading it after I crossed the box. You know why oil's probably not doing much? Because again, remember what I've talked about. The oil traders are probably over trading gold today because gold is so damn wild. They've probably rotated the volume back over to gold from this craziness going on. Good job, Jim. It's hard to believe when you're looking at some of this stuff that, oh, that candle is 10 points. Good job, Patriot. Yeah, I'm looking at it. I made some money in it today, Patriot. I made net probably about $900 in oil today. Net probably about $900. But it was kicking my butt first thing out of the gate. I mean, I was down probably $600. Probably about $600 I was down before I finally hit a decent trade that I could add contracts to. Shit like that. Man, look at that red line, Jim. Now I'm gonna bust Jim's butt. Gee, Jim, you could have made $5,000 on that trade with one contract. I don't have any idea why the equity's all V-bottomed. I mean, literally V-bottomed. Look at the V. Bing, bing. I mean, that is just crazy. Something at 10:30. I have nothing on here that happened at 10:30, but at 10:30, something must have happened. For the equities, all of them V-bottomed. I mean, there's just a big V. What the hell? That is crazy. I mean, the ES just literally rotated in a straight line. $24 points. Takes a lot of money. Takes a lot of money to move the ES 24 points in a straight line. Takes a lot of money to do that. Jesus. Does anybody have any idea what might have happened at 10:30? Does anybody have? I have nothing on my news thing. I mean, you never know. They could be having a press conference or something. I want this price to go to the 5-minute gold line. How about you, Jim? Come back to that 5-minute gold line. Give us a nice long wick right there. And then whoop. Are you going to do a 1-minute gold line on us? Yeah. Yeah, you had a V and another V the other way. Oh, shit. Come on, go. Go. There you go. Now go. Now go. Go, 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 go. Go through the top. Ah, you didn't. I knew this was going to be a problem right there. Fuck. Yeah, exactly. I wasn't exactly. That's exactly it. I mean, is it going to V back? Oh my. Woohoo. Please V back. Please. V back the other way. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on. What a catch. What a catch. Go, 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 go. Come on. Come on. Come on, NQ. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. There you go. There you are. I'm so proud of you. I am. I'm proud of you. Jim, you proud of the NQ? I'm proud of it. Come on, go. Oh, I'm so proud of you. Yes, everybody here's proud of you. Yes, we're all cheering you on. The ES did the same thing off the freaking red line, everybody. I don't know if anybody saw that, but come on, come on. Don't run out of gas. Don't run out of gas. Don't run out of gas. Come on. Oh, don't come back and test the break. You don't do that. Stay on top of the 9. Stay on top of the 9. Come on. Roll up. Roll up. It's not looking good. Perfectly honest, it's not looking good. Perfectly honest, it's not looking good. It's not looking good. Oh, God, come on. Trying to look at multiple markets at the same time. Come on. Go. 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 All right, I'm going to put my stop here. Either goes or it doesn't. And then I'll probably have to move this up more. If it starts running here, I'm going to move my target up more. Come on. Come on, NQ. Come on. Come on. Don't. Piece of shit. Might get a W. Pay attention for a W. Pay attention for a W. See, bing, 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 bing. We might get a W. Might get a W. I would prefer this candle to close and then have it to be the next one. That's what I would prefer. Little consolidation right here before it runs up. That would be nice. Oh, even poke through the bottom. That's fine too. All right, we're not in yet. We're not in yet. Making that W look even better. All right. Damn it. Now, I would like an inside candle right here. That would be nice. Like an inside candle. Like an inside candle right here. Like an inside candle right here. Come on. Like an inside candle right here. Just stay there. Just stay there. Yeah, just stay there. Just stay there. Okay. All right. Yeah. Stay inside. Go 9 more seconds. Let's go. Come on. The top of this box keeps pushing gold down. Every time gold tries to make a breakout the top, the top of that box keeps pushing it down. That's why I squeezed my stop so fast when we were in this trade earlier. Okay, come on. Let's go, everybody. Everybody join the freight train long. 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 Come on, NQ. Don't die on me. I mean, what the hell? I mean, at least I'm not in it and it's dead. Not yet. All right, we still have a potential W here. We still have a potential W here. It's just getting uglier by the minute. Come on. Come on. I agree with that, Alex. But we're in that situation because we've been low and now we've crossed up. But we're still below yesterday's prior day low. We're still below yesterday's prior day low. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. I should have taken the second tap on this one. I should have taken the second tap on this one. Come on. Don't take me out. Come on. Come on, baby. Roll up. Roll up. Ah, fuck. Yep. It's crazy. Yeah, unfortunately, it didn't do it. And I'm still staring at. I mean, the ES still has not broke its W. It's still in formation for a W. The ES is in a perfect formation. It has not broke its top yet. Ask me how I know, because I've been following it. Ask me how I know, because I've been following the top. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Do not roll back over. Do not. Oh, come on. Excuse me. All right. Now we get some room here. All right. Okay. So I'm, as you probably guessed, I'm in the the ES version also. All right. So let me get this out. Come on. Let's just come on, man. Let's do what we came here to do, which is make a big freaking W. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? Oh, it got me. The ES got me. I took a little, probably $50 loss there. The ES got me. The NQ hasn't got me yet. The NQ hasn't got me yet. Come on. But the ES, look at that dirty dog stuff the ES just did right there. That's some NQ style bullshit right there. That's crazy. That's all right. I'm all right. I'm in the bigger one. I'm in the bigger one. I'm in the bigger one. That's what matters. Come on, go. I am in the bigger one. All right. Now, let's see if we can get a little more out of it. We broke the pivot to the left. We broke this pivot right here. All right. So, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. Let's go. That is amazing. The ES did that to me. That really is amazing. I'm just dumbfounded by that. Whoa. I'm going to leave it room. Oh my God. Shit. This is just ugly. Why are you not rotating up? I feel like a freaking dodo bird right now. What the hell? Come on, something big. Something big. Let's go. Something big. You are really frustrating me. Come on. Come on. All right, here we go. I swear they know when I'm in it. I swear they know that. Oh, Bob's in. Oh, we got to monkey around and screw shit up. And what are you doing over there, ES? You're not helping the cause. You are not helping the cause. God damn it. You are not helping the cause, ES. Oh, man. All right, I'm canceling this. Hold on here. Cancel. Cancel. Come on, gold. Stay on top of the box. Stay on top of the box. Stay on top of the box. Yep, I agree with that, Snow. Oh, I got to kill this. That's obviously not going to happen. That's obviously not going to happen. All right. Come on. Let's do it again. If first you don't succeed, try again. Come on. We broke that pivot to the left, this one right here. Came back, sat on top of both these gold lines. We should be going long. Come on. Now we're going to find resistance right here, but I need it to go. I want something bigger than that. I need it to go through resistance. Come on. Let's go. Why are we acting so stupid? Come on, NQ. Oh my God. Come on. Need that 9 EMA to hold. It's not going to. It's not going to. It's not going to. It's not going to. Maybe it is. Maybe it isn't. Come on. What the hell? Come on, NQ. Go. You are really pissing me off today. It's just so frustrating. It just has no follow through. So this is the pivot I'm talking about right here. So, broke this pivot right here, this down pivot right here, and then came back and sat in here. So this is the run, but it's just not gonna do it. Would you quit fucking texting me? Fucking dumbass. There's just a if you guys look, there is a big V. I mean, a big what do they call that? Wedge right here. It's a wedge from the bottom and the top. You see the wedge forming? If it would just come out of the top side of this wedge, man, it'll be gone. Let's go. Come on. Everybody on planet Earth knows you're trying to go long. Oh, fuck. All right. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. It's just going to keep monkeying around. You see the wedge? So from the top, we keep having green dots down. And from the bottom, we keep having yellow dots up. And so we're wedging in the middle here. And it just keeps getting tighter and tighter and tighter. And then it'll ultimately break out of one side or the other. Pattern-wise, it looks like it wants to break out the top, but it's just not doing it. So I'm just not going to donate money or keep getting break evens until it decides what the hell it wants to do. That's what I've decided. That's what I've decided. I still think it's going to go long. Unfortunately, that my bias is not helping me right now. Well, ES is doing the same thing. You'll see the wedge on the ES. It's wedging from the top and it's wedging from the bottom. And it needs to pick us. It needs to, as soon as it picks a side, so let's go over here and look at the ES. See, it's wedging from the top and it's wedging from the bottom. It has not broken. It came down here and tried to break the bottom pivots, didn't do it. Came back up here and tried to break the top pivots, didn't do it. As soon as it breaks a direction, then that'll be okay. The wedge no longer is holding. We're going that way. See, it's still wedging right here. Right now, gold's too rich for my blood, Jim. All right, there we go. We broke through a freaking wedge. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. Now, it may pull back all that kind of happy horse shit. That's fine. But it's now picked a side, in my opinion. Jesus. It's just easier for me to be in an ES trade than an NQ trade when it's acting like that. Look at gold go. See, it broke out. See how it broke out of that wedge? Now it's just running. Just running. Just running. That's what I was trying to get in the NQ. It just would not do it for me. All right, so I'm going to come up here, and if it runs to there, I'm out for now. If it gives me a rotation and starts doing all that kind of stuff, I might move my target higher. But right now, it's going to exhaust itself either here or here, in my opinion. I'm hoping not here. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Do not exhaust yourself here. Come on. Keep going, ES. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on, Chi. Come on, Chi. Oh, my. By golly, Bob. Did you? Oh, there you go. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. Jesus, God dang, freaking stress. It's like, what the hell? God dang. Does everybody see the wedge I'm talking about? So you got your dots that are forming from the top that keep going down, down, down. You got your dots that are forming from the bottom that keep going up, up, up. And the reason they keep doing that is because they're getting tighter and tighter and tighter and tighter and tighter. And so when it finally came out, which is right here, that's why it ran. You understand what I'm saying? When it finally came out, when it finally picked a side, either the yellows or the greens were going to get broken, it ran. Now, that doesn't happen all the time, but it happens when you have a sequence of down pivots and a sequence of up pivots at the same time. That's a wedge. You guys have probably heard about wedges before. You know, the wedge comes with like a bull flag, bear flag, that kind of stuff. Shit too. You know, those are the other terms. And by the way, yes, the NQ did the same thing. And it went right to the prior day low and reversed over. Why did I pick that as my target? Because that was the spot it was going to get exhausted. I know, Jim. It's too rich for my blood right now. Too rich for my blood. I got to come over here with the equities and make money. I got to come over here with the equities and make money. I got to do it poor man's way. I can't do it your way. I don't have the heart for it, man. I need gold to calm down a little bit before I start getting involved again. Yeah, that 5 minute, see the 5 minute red line twice. But I mean, so twice the 5 minute red line rotated, broke. See how? So let's talk about this. When it came back again, what makes this a decent trade? Does anybody have any idea what makes this a decent trade from this? You know, when it's not just a W pattern. It's because when this happened, it broke the down pivots. See, now the pivot started rotating back up. Then it comes here, and then boom, there's your trade. So you just got to see the patterns. If price came up and never broke any of the down pivots and then rolled to your red line, then you don't want to be taking that trade. You don't want to be taking that trade because that's where it's going to end up pushing through, coming up, and then you get a short. Jesus. I think the NQ is about to cause me to have an aneurysm. I mean, just so frustrating when you know what they're doing. You know what they're doing, and they just don't do it. All right, well. Hoo-wee. That was a pretty good ES trade, though. How many points did I get? 39, 54. Is that right? So, is that right? I was in right here. 39. About 15 points. That's not bad. 15 points. 15 points in ES. Now I think about it, yeah, that's very good. That might be the most points I've ever gotten in an ES trade. I think before that I've had a few tens. But what gave me the confidence to run that even further was the fact that we broke the wedge. Holy cow. Whew. I don't know, Jim. I don't want to tell you no. It did cross it. I mean, it crossed over. I mean, that's step one. Well, we'll find out the hard way. Come on, go. 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 Come on, gold. Go. Go. There you go. There you go. There you go. All right, come on. Come on, gold. Don't get stuck in the bottom of the box, please. Come on, gold. Come on. Come on. Come on, gold. Go. Come on. Come on. I need a new pair of shoes. Come on, gold. Come on. Come on. Come on. Don't get stuck in the bottom of the freaking box. Let's go. There you go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Shit, I was going to add another one right there. I was going to add another contract right there, and I didn't. I was going to add another contract right there, and I didn't, Jim. Fuck, I froze. I should have added another contract. Come on, keep going. Come on. Come on, give me more. Give me more. I'm greedy. Come on, give me more. Run. Run. Come on, run. Come on. Okay, I'm going to protect. There I get. All right. I got it. Good call, Jim. Good call. Good call. God, I was going to add another one right here. I knew once they got through that bottom of the box, they were going to have a run. God dang it. Should have added another one. My fault. Especially since to defend the candle, both my stops could have been here. Okay. Lesson for everybody to understand. I had another one in here. Now I got both my stops here, and my break even's probably right about here. So I'm in profit looking for something bigger. Black bar. You talking about my crosshairs? I got crosshairs treatment. Is that what you're talking? Thank you, Gene. Thank you. Thank you, Gene. Thank you. That fucker gave up. They gave it up. But see, so here's the thing. This is the trade right here that I took yesterday at 12:08, and then went. Now it ran a lot further, all that kind of stuff. Of course, the rotation to it was smaller also. It's a lot easier to go to the other side. Because I've got this is my pointer. You know what I mean? See how it creates the numbers up and down on the side? Just tells me where I'm at price wise. With so I can kind of see enough maybe and put a target there or something. It's just what do they call this thing? It's got a name. Why won't it show up on my damn chart here? I don't know. Oh my God. I'm embarrassed to show my P&L. I'm embarrassed. Oh my God. What a day. What a day. What a day. Holy shit. What a day. What a day. And the thing is, in the pre-market in gold, if I had been just paying attention, God dang it, I could have literally stolen $10,000 without even stressing. If I'd have just paid attention this morning. Yeah, I agree with that, Snow. Wow. I mean, there's some rotations in gold today that are just insane. Did any, boy, oh my gosh. Did anybody catch, there's an M pattern. Did anybody catch this M pattern? Look at that M pattern. Did anybody catch that? This thing should come back down to here. So you had the down from the prior day low, and then you had a lower high. Boom. Should come down to here. Oh boy, there it goes. There it goes. You had a lower high. Wham! Did anybody catch that? Oh my God, I wasn't paying attention. Wow. Did anybody catch that? I know, Wayne. Woulda, coulda, shoulda. I know. Well, it's also a lesson. When I wake up in the morning now and I see freaking gold just shooting one direction or another, just jump on the train. Did anybody catch that M in the ES? By the way, the RTY had the same M. The RTY had the exact same M off the overnight open. Exact same M. Oh my God. Look at that there. And it went to target. There it is. So your entry is like 53. And I would have had your target's about 40. That's 13 points. Wow. Wow. Holy cow. So I caught 15 points long. I could have had 13 back. I caught the 15 long. I could have had the 13 back. Shit. Wow. All right. I'm going to have to, I'm going to settle down now. I'm sweating. Man, that was God, look at that M. It's going to go all the way. Look at this. It's going to go all the way to the beginning. Right here, where the M started. Look at that. All the way to where it started. Oh my God. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. That is nice to see. That kind of price action is really nice to see in the ES. Really nice to see that. It is. That's some big move stuff right there. I mean, if the ES has moves like that, man, I'm going to have to start trading it more often, because I was so calm in my ES long versus being in that NQ long I was trying to hold myself into. I mean, you guys may have noticed that. It's just, again, ES is traditionally a little less dirty doggish. It did dirty dog me on one long that I was in. Knocked me out for like 2 ticks. But anyways, where it broke the candle that I was defending to my left, and then it rotated up. Like, oh, that's NQ stuff right there, man. And look at that. It did it. Went right to that. Here's where the M started. Did it, and now it's probably going to roll up. Because that was the target. God, that was the real target. I would have been trading the red line, but holy cow. Yeah, that was the real target. The real target was the bottom. So you have a perfect M. So you went, here's your pivot. Doink, 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 right back to the M. And then this is where the people that took this trade, the big money traders, this is where they closed out, and that's why it's reversing. Unbelievable. That's beautiful. That M pattern in the ES is just absolutely gorgeous. I mean, man, that was nice. Just straight lines. Oh my God. Jesus, that was beautiful. Well, I'm done with gold for a while, man. God dang. That was just I'm still sitting here in awe at that M pattern in the ES. I wish I had not missed that. That was beautiful. Just beautiful. Anyways, it is what it is. The NQ did the same thing. The NQ just didn't reach, would have been harder to identify because it didn't, to me, it didn't, not to me, it didn't reach the prior day low when it finally broke down. Apparently, it was waiting for the ES to break down, and then it broke down. Just amazing. Just amazing. Some big market manipulation going on today, my friends. Big market manipulation going on today. But that's what we need to see to be successful in what it is that I try to do. The market needs to be manipulated in patterns, deliberate rotations and patterns. If the market's not being deliberate, then you don't want to play with the strategy I use. All right, so the GC starting to move again. And oh, Jesus, what the hell did I just do? GC starting to move again. What I would like to see now, since we broke the down pivot, okay, I'd like to see a rotation back minimum to the gold line, maybe even the red line. The red line is sloping up. See, we got one problem. That red line really has decided to change directions after this monumental roll down. So we're going to hopefully get a pullback and then a rotation down. That's what I'm looking for. Woo-wee. Man, Patriot, are you still over here trying to make money in this oil? It hasn't done a damn thing all day. It's like, what the hell? I heard news this morning. Maybe this is why oil's so damn dead, too. I heard news this morning that, the hell's his name? JD Vance, I think it is, has a meeting with a bunch of oil producers or some shit like that to help stem the rise in oil prices. I heard something to that effect this morning. So that may explain why oil is just, I mean, there it is. There's its box. And it's just, I mean, there's just nothing going on. I mean, it's hard to believe there's nothing going on in oil when, when they're in the middle of a war in the Middle East. That's really hard to believe. Shit, did you roll over early on me? God dang it, gold. Fuck. I needed it to roll up some more. Oh boy. Oh boy. Down goes Frazier. Down goes Frazier. Look at that. This candle went to a low, came up into the gold line after the crossover, and then boom, there it goes. Come on. Come on. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Falling like a stone. Keep falling. Man, it hit the Donchian Channel. That pisses me off. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going, NQ. Keep going. Be a 1 minute $1,000 trade for me. Be a 1 minute one. Be a 1 minute winner. Be a 1 minute winner. All right, be a 2 minute winner. All right, be a 2 minute winner. Don't come back. Be a 2 minute winner. Don't come back. Be a 2 minute winner. Come on. Be a 2 minute winner. That's fine. 2 minutes is fine too. Don't be a 1 minute winner. Oh, you're going to be a 1 minute winner? Yeah, you damn it. All right. So this candle right here broke the low, rotated up into the gold line. We had an inside candle. Bam, gone. That's it. I mean, that was so easy. I was like, holy shit. I actually saw it. By the way, Snow, I never would have hit that trade if I didn't have this tool. I never would have hit that trade if I didn't have that tool. I mean, I just glanced over. I'm like, oh, wait a second. And I noticed this pivot right here was lower than this one. Came right up into the gold line. Inside candle, boom, gone. I mean, it's probably going to go all the way to my freaking target. But anyways. By the way, the ES had the exact same pattern. Exact same pattern. I don't know if anybody caught the short in ES. It did the exact same thing in the ES. Exact same thing. Literally the exact same thing. Yeah, I mean, I made this. The tool made it so easy for me to just throw the damn mortar right there. Yeah, gold is gone. So when you had this rotation down and then this rotation again back into this red line, this is not a red line rotation that you want. You want it straight and then gone. Oh, man. Yeah, obviously I should have held that NQ trade, I guess. See, again, if I'd have been in the ES, that's why probably I should just freaking trade the ES again since it's got such movement. I would have managed this better. It'd have been easier for me to handle this trade, to just follow these candles because it's a lot less stressful. It's a lot less ridiculousness. And then I could have hit this down to this mid band. So the entry here is 30. That's fucking 10 points. That's a 10-pointer right there in the ES. Holy shit. Yeah, I should have done the ES version of that trade. I don't know that it's going to get there, but that's I should have done the ES version of that trade. It's good trade though. It's a good trade though. Very good trade. And it's so funny they gave it away. Again, it's the subtle things. It's the subtle things. They're coming down, it crossed over this 1 minute gold line, of course. And then they do all this hunky-dory shit here. But then this right here peaked lower than here. And then it rolled into the gold line. Inside candle, bam. That's it. I mean, if you can just sit there and learn that, oh my God. I mean, it was just it's like stealing. It's like legalized stealing. Literally like legalized stealing. And that ES is going to do it. It looks like it's going to do it. I said it was, the 13, how many points? 25, 24? Over 10 points, just about 11 points to go back to this mid band right here. About 11 points. And see, that's the spot where they rotated from with the V before. There it is. Boom. There it is. You'd have gotten your 11 points. Look at the money you could have been making in the ES today. Son of a bitch. This is the one I caught. I did not catch this, and I did not take this one. There's some points there in the ES that old school ES traders would say I'm freaking lying. They would. They'd sit there and say I'm lying. I ain't lying. It's right there. Each one of these entries is just perfect. M pattern. And then you had that crossover. Low. Recent low. Back into your gold line. You had you had an inside candle there, and then bam. Each one of these was over a 10-pointer. That's just, dude, I just can't. I just can't. I just can't. I think stopped at the mid band just because of all that buying that was here before. See, that's exactly where they stopped it. Here's the mid band. So let's blow this up. Here's the mid band right there. We went through it by one tick and then rolled up. One tick. One tick. It went through the mid band by one tick. And the reason I say this is your target is because this is where all this violence happened before. So there's probably buyers stacked up here anyways. You get what I'm saying? There's probably buyers that are stacked up here anyways. But even if there's not buyers, the shorts, the people that took this short, they're going to see this. So they're going to front run it and get out. And once they're getting out, that's the rotation of, price the other way, because they're buying out of their shorts. I know that sounded funny. You're buying out of your shorts. Not your shorts, your short trade. Oh, God. Man, I'm telling you what, if every day was like this, Jesus. I mean, I'm leaving more money on the table than I'm making, and I made pretty good money today. Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap. And every one of these trades is relatively smooth and deliberate. Other than that shit I got caught up in the wedge. So it's my fault I didn't realize the wedge was happening until too late. I probably lost $300-400 screwing around with that wedge at least in the NQ. Just from it having going up, coming back, taking me out of even or small loss or whatever. I probably lost about $300-400 down there at least. Yep. Anyways, all right, guys. I'm going to call it a day. I hope everybody had a good day. I hope everybody made some money. If you made some money, don't forget to like the video. Even if you didn't make any money because of me, even if I had absolutely nothing to do with it, which is fine, I probably most likely didn't have anything to do with it. Each one of you has reached a point where you get it yourselves. I mean, most of you are getting it. Like, you don't need me to tell you, hey, there's a setup. Hey, there's a setup. You know what I mean? I mean, you guys, I want you to, again, give a man a fish or teach a man to fish. I want you to learn how to fish. I could roll my Jeep this afternoon and never turn this video on again, and you all wonder what the hell happened to Bob. Don't know. He used to make great videos, but he's not around anymore. I guess I got to go back to my old job or whatever, because he's not here to root me on for my trades. Nah, you don't need me to root you on for your trades. You're seeing them. And some of you are sitting here seeing them doing better than me. I mean, obviously Jim. Obviously Jim. But funny fact, Jim and I talked a couple days ago, and I'm ahead of him for the month. I'm ahead of him. I don't know that I am anymore after today, but I'm ahead of him for the month. I was like, oh shit. So, but anyways, it's not a competition. But I mean, the only reason I'm even at the level I'm at with what's going on, like say this month, is just because of people like Jim that are doing so well. They motivate me to try harder than to just take $200, $300 and call it a day type scenario. Anyways, everybody have a good day. I will talk to you tomorrow. You're very green today, Wayne. Good for you. Your method. Okay. All right. Your method. That's fine. Anyways, everybody have a good day. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.